Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Fortnite mic not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up a game, and once you're inside your game, on the top right corner of the screen you'll be seeing your profile icon. Click on it, and on clicking it on the right hand side of the screen you'll be seeing your menu. Now all you gotta do is select the settings icon. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is select the audio section on the top of the bar, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is check all the options like main volume and your voice chat as well. And once you scroll down here, what you'll find is audio output device. Simply check to see if it's connected to the correct one or not. If it's not connected, simply change it to the speakers which you have connected, and then check to see if this voice chat is turned off or not. If it's turned on, simply turn it on, and once you do that, you can also select the voice chat in friends only and then none and to everyone. You can also change the voice chat method as well from push to talk or simply open. So once that's done, now what you need to do is simply right click on it and then open up sound settings. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is check to see your option is set to your speaker or not. All you gotta do is change it if it's not, and then try again, and that will fix your issue. So that's a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.